Hey guys, it's Greg from GWA Auto Parts, and today we're going to go over the AA ignition set of 4 ignition coils that fits a variety of Nissan and Infiniti vehicles, including the Infiniti FX50, M56, the Nissan Altima, Cube, and Sentra. So this set includes 4 ignition coils to replace all the ignition coils on the vehicle. As you can see here, the ignition coil comes complete with the ignition coil boot. And if we look at the top of the ignition coil, you'll see there's 1 bolt that secures this ignition coil. So to remove the factory coils, you're just going to remove that single bolt. You'll disconnect the electrical connector, and then the ignition coil will pull out of the engine, and you'll be able to install the new ignition coil. Now, these ignition coils will solve any issues that are related to hesitation or misfires that are caused by a faulty ignition coil. And we recommend replacing all the ignition coils on the vehicle at once, which is why we include 4 in the kit, so you can change them all at once. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us, and we'll be glad to help you.